What's up guys, it's Cassidy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a what I got for Christmas video. Now, I kind of thought this was like kind of a weird video to do because it's like, hey, look what all the things I got. But I just thought it would be cool to share my Christmas presents with you guys. Maybe it would inspire you guys to get some things that you may need, or just, I don't know, inspire you guys for future gifts that you may have to give. So before we get into what I got for Christmas, please don't forget to subscribe right down below. Just right there, hit the subscribe button. We have new goals to meet. We already met my 10K goal, which I am still like so happy about, but we are not stopping here. We are not stopping here, people. Don't forget to subscribe right down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited to see what I got for Christmas. So let's get into this first gift. This first gift is actually from my mother-in-law. Thank you, Ruth, if you're watching. Chris, which if you guys don't know is my boyfriend, his mother got me this awesome, really beautiful tray. And it's just like a tray to sit on your desk, and she knew I wanted this because she had one on her like dining room table and I thought it was so beautiful, so she got me one similar. And I love this because right now all my perfumes are like sitting back there in this really ugly tray, and it's just not like a nice display. So I feel like I could either use this for my perfume, or I can keep it on my desk just to keep like my everyday makeup that I use on the daily. But I just think it's so pretty. Like, it has this mirrored bottom right here, and then everything else is like silver hardware. I just think it's freaking gorgeous. The next gift that I have is from my sister, my older sister Jasmine. She got me this adorable mug that says blogging day on it, and I'm always drinking coffee like first thing in the morning right before I film my videos, or like while I'm filming my videos. So I'm obsessed with mugs, you guys. Like, any cute mug, any mug that has a cute saying on it or something decorative on it, it's like, I'm obsessed. I love coffee, but having coffee in a cute mug just makes my life that much better. And then she also got me these adorable booties. These are from Express. So they're just basic black booties, except they have this really cute detailing on the heel. There's pearls and gold little studs. I am obsessed with these. I think they are so cute. Like, I can't get over them. I'm so excited to style them. The next thing that I got for Christmas is actually pretty random. This is also from my older sister. I'm the youngest, guys, so all my siblings are older than me. My sister, she got me these reflectors. So the first pack that I opened was these things, and these are just clamps. If you guys are into lighting, oh shit. If any of you guys are into studio or photography, videography, anything with lighting, these will look very familiar to you. So when I first opened, like, this was the first part of the gift that I opened, and I was like, what? I was like, okay, what the hell is this? But then I opened the second part of the gift, and she actually got me something that I really needed, and it is these things. So these are actually reflectors. I don't know if you guys have ever been with a photographer or just seen photographers or videographers on TV, but basically what these are just like silver things that are wired around the rim, and when you take them out of this bag, they like pop open, and if you put these reflectors all around you and then have light bouncing off of it, it really just makes everywhere look like it's lit. It's lit. So I am working on creating like a new filming setup and having my new office. So these, I really need these, and I was so shocked that she got them for me because I told her I was planning on getting them, but she just went ahead and got that for me. So I'm super thankful for this because this is really going to come in handy for my new filming setup, which I'm so freaking excited about, you guys. Now the next thing is actually from my godfather, my padrino in Spanish. That's what we call Godfather. So my padrino got me these little AirPods, and this is something that I honestly did not think that I needed, but now that I have it, I am so happy. I love them so much. So I want to show you guys how cool this is. Like, you open this up, this little thing looks like it's dental floss, and then this thing is where you charge the headphones. You can take the headphones out just like this, and then you just pop them right in your ear, and honestly, it's so cool. These connect to your phone or to your computer or to anything that has Bluetooth. When I first saw them, I was like, oh my god, those those look like they're so easy to lose, but honestly, they stay in your ear. Like, there's no way you can lose these. What I love especially about them is that when you put these to charge, the headphones will be fully charged, and then this little pack will also have a fully charged battery. So this little pack is kind of like a portable charger for the headphones. So as soon as the headphone battery goes down, you can just pop them in here and they will charge them for one full battery charge as well. And I thought that was so cool. I've been loving these for editing my videos. If I'm having a meeting on the phone, I can leave my phone in one corner and just like walk around my room with these pods in, just like doing stuff while having the meeting. So it's really cool. I'm obsessed with these things, and it just looks like a cute little pack of dental floss. And now the gift from my madrina, which I am so thankful for. She got me this really gorgeous fossil watch, and oh, I'm obsessed with this. It's so pretty. Okay, so when I open it, you have the watch here, and then you have this really gorgeous bracelet, and I'm so obsessed with this. I have to get it resized because there are too many links. I just have to go to the store and get some links taken off, but it is so pretty. I'm especially obsessed with this because I don't own like a fancy watch. All of my watches are either like more street style, like the Casio watches, or I have Daniel Wellington watches that are a little bit more casual, but this one is like a very glamorous watch, and I am so obsessed with it. It's silver, and it has little diamonds around the rim, and it's just so pretty with like a white face. It's very elegant, and I feel like I can wear this watch when I want to be dressed up, and I can even add, you know, the bracelet that it came with just for like some arm candy to look really cute. Okay, so one thing that we do in my family that is really cool, usually every year we do a Secret Santa between everyone. I have a huge family. I have tons of cousins, tons of aunts. It's like overwhelming. But this year, with the passing of my uncle, we didn't really want to do the Secret Santa just because it's already hard being without him. And you know, just we wanted to just like make it more about the quality time instead of the Secret Santa, which usually takes up like our whole Christmas night. So we decided to do something smaller this year, and instead we just did like a $20 grab bag. So we each spent $20 to $30 on a gift that was either for a girl, the girls did the girl gifts and the guys did the guy gifts. And what we did was actually so cute. I feel like this is a great idea for you guys if you guys want to like have a little tradition in your family. My aunt printed out this story that it was basically like a story about Santa and about Christmas, and within the story it had the words left and right like over and over and over again. So we all sat in a circle with our gifts, our original gifts that we brought for the grab bag, and then every time the person reading the story said the word left, we passed the gift to our left. Every time the person said right, we passed the gift to our right. So each of the gifts were kind of like rotating in a circle, and you were just never sure of which one was going to land with you, which one was going to stay stuck with you. So once the story ended, whatever gift you had in your hand was the one that you were stuck with. So the gift that I got is this one, and this was from my cousin's wife, Myra. Oh my god, I love this gift. It was epic. Like, okay, so you open this up, and first of all, how cute is this freaking travel bag? Like, I would be satisfied just getting this stuff if it was empty, because this is such a cute makeup bag, travel bag. This one is clear in here, and then we have these gorgeous sparkly ones. Like, these are freaking so cute. So I was like, oh my god, yay, I got all these travel bags. Like, this is so cute. And then she's like, no, open it up. And I'm like, oh my gosh, even better. So you open this up, and she just put so, like, anything you would ever need for traveling or like for bathing or for the shower or whatever. So first I got this little loofah in this one, and then we have like a body wash and a body cream, travel size. Then in the second pack we have one small shaving cream and then a pack of razor blades. So adorable, such a good idea. And then in the last part, which is another super adorable makeup bag, you open this up, and she just has a bunch of travel things in here. Like, we have Q-tips, we've got a bottle of Listerine, travel toothpaste, travel deodorant, a little travel toothbrush here, some tissues, like the cutest stuff. She also put a shower cap in here and a very small pack of Neutrogena makeup wipes. Like, I could not ask for anything better. This gift was so me. It's so funny. My family and I, we had a blast doing that. We were all cracking up. We were all trying to stick with certain gifts, and like it made the night so much fun, but it also didn't take up too much time. So it was a really great time. I feel like extremely blessed to have received from my boyfriend, my baby, the love of my life. He got me a ring light, and I'll show you guys which one it is because it's so freaking cool. I'm pretty sure this one is from Impressions Vanity, but I might be wrong. So I'm gonna link it down below which one he got me, but the reason why I'm so obsessed with this one is because it's an LED light ring light. So this is LED light, it won't heat up too much, and the light bulb is not like right at the surface, so God forbid it falls or anything, it'll be okay. Like, it's pretty sturdy. The other thing that I'm obsessed with is when you turn it on, you can control the brightness, so you can make it like really bright or really low, and you can also control the warmth. So you can make it look like the sun just came up, because you can turn it to really yellow lighting, or you can turn it to really blue lighting, which will give it like a more sad effect or more like a cooler tone effect. And this is just gonna make the biggest difference. I like my lighting right now, but I just feel like I needed something extra, and he got me this ring light, and I'm so happy. I'm just so excited to start using it and have my new setup and just have like awesome, even better videos for you guys. It's gonna be so epic. I can't wait. This new year is just starting off amazing. Like, I have everything I need to give you guys the best quality videos, and not only did we literally reach 10,000 subscribers at the end of the year, but then I got all of this stuff, and I feel like I'm just manifesting more and more things into my life just to create some badass videos for you guys. I'm really happy to be starting this year off on such a good note, and I feel like it's gonna just set a tone for the rest of the year. And I hope you guys are doing the same for yourselves. Just make sure you do little things for yourself to make yourself feel good. Whether it's setting new goals for yourself for 2018, whether it's creating a plan to start a business or to start a new project that you're really excited about, to create art, to read more, to just create more in general. Whatever it is that feeds your soul, just make a decision on something, follow through with it, and do it, and start this year off in that way. And I'm telling you guys, it'll set the tone for the rest of your year. Stay motivated, stay hungry, and just be clear on what you want. That's exactly what I've been working on for this whole past year of 2017. I've been very clear of what I want, and all of my work has been going into exactly what I want. So I can see now that those things are paying off. If you guys make that decision to do that for yourselves as well, it will happen. Like, there's no way anything can stop you. It doesn't matter where you were born. It doesn't matter what kind of family you were born into. It doesn't matter how many people you have against you, how many people you have telling you that you can't do something. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you put your mind to. And I'm proof of that too, because I didn't come from, you know, the best of the best. But I work with what I have. I love what I do, and I'm passionate about what I do. I just want to remind you guys of that stuff. You know, these are all material things, and at the end of the day, you do need to be happy within yourself. And because I am feeling happy within myself, I create more abundance and manifest more great things into my life. So you guys can do that too. You just have to realize your power and your strength. So okay, I'm done rambling. I just think it's really important for me to spread that message, and I love you guys so much. Do not forget to enter my giveaway. It is going on till the end of this month. I believe it ends January 26th. Please donate to 109 World to enter that giveaway. I'll have the link listed down below where you can enter. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you know how much it means to me from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!